Hello guys, so we're back to some more videos and today we're going to play red light, green light, parkour obby squid game. So I need to wait until now, for now on, but I'm 13. Wait. Okay, I have only got what you watch. No, I don't want. No, I don't want to. Okay, I know how to beat this game. No, wait. How about we just do like this? Wait. Let me in. It's not okay. Okay. Oh, I should be. Bruh, how many levels do we get? Okay. Nah. Oh, no! Oh, we should not touch it. Okay. It's too easy. It's easy now. It's super easy. It's not hard, it's too easy. It's easy. I don't want to go to impossible obby. So this one is trick out. Let's go. Okay. Also guys, if you want to see more videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Hello guard. Nice to meet you. Oh, there's a bed that we sleep in. No, I don't want to pay low Robux. Nah. It's too expensive. Oh, the honeycomb. Stop lagging. Are you serious right now? Bro. Okay. Guys, this will be the Squid Game. The Squid Game. When I'm wearing the green shirt, the cyan shirt, that I thought there. Number 1. What is the number? Oh, it's number 1. Okay. I'm number 1. And she is number 1 again. Okay, she's number 1. So that way, I know. What's that? Did the person died? Guys, why did the person died? All because they passed out. Okay, I know guys. I know how to beat this. We need to beat this game for a long time. A very long time. A long minute. Wait, what number is she? Number 1 again. Honeycomb. Square. Triangle. Square. Yes. Please. Stop paying me Robux. I will pay for it. Joking. Is that mask figure? Ha! You fall. I didn't fall, guys. Yay! Do not fall, okay? What number is she? Well, whoa! Hold on. Can we be my friend? I don't know. Sorry, I'm not your friend, but I don't know what to say about this. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult. Oh, it's the honeycomb that they break. Oh, they just find them. Oh, they have they. Also, he wins. They ask a different person. Oh, give me Robux. Oh, not joking. No, bro, I fell again. What the freak? Why does my armpit look? Wet? Let me know in the comments, okay? Okay. Wow, dollar bill. Why is that a suicide? Oh, they break it. If the guy breaks the honeycomb, they will just shoot and died. They will pass out away. Okay. Let's go beat this game. What's that? Is that hard? Is that hard, guys? Is that hard? Okay. I know how to beat this. Bro, stop lagging, okay? Wait, is that bread or a house? Oh, that's just a house. Oh, also the guy eating the sand, they trying to eat the sand. Also my father played with house, so I'm not touching it. Only got one fault and one touches that line. The red thing, I guess. Oh, it's the bedroom. Oh, it's the bed. The bed. Oh, squid. Hello, squid. Oh, okay, guys. So here's the door. I know how to beat this game. I know, bro. Please, bro. I keep on falling. One fall or three falls. I got 3 falls. No. What's that? Is that player just getting the ladder? Or did you just lay down? Wait, did I touch it? Yes, I know. Yes, I did. I guess. See, I did fall yesterday. No. Wait, okay, I know. Bro, wait, I'm going to choose. Let me just Let me choose, okay? Oh, okay. Oh, what's that? What's that? Is that a worm? Or is this a PP? I don't know. Who's that? Who's this guy? Wait, is that a knife? Oh, they're trying to just stab me. I wanted to drink blood. Yummy. Bro, stop doing that. Yes. Calyx. Calyx. I know. Calyx. Okay. Why is it the obby look long? Oh, because it's there. Bro, it's too long. How can I beat this? Okay, I know how to beat this. I know how to beat this game. No, do not fall. Bro, we're gonna make a long video. Wait, let me choose. Let me choose first. Oh, red. No! You're trying to trick me. Which one? Oh, white. Okay. Green? Wait, is that red or green? Oh, it's red. Okay, always red. Always red. Bro, I'm lagging. I am so flying. Okay, I only got look up. Okay, I need to beat this game. I know how to beat this game, but I wanted to beat. Oh, is that a tree? Is that a tree now? Oh, I need to get a tree. Oh, okay. Bro, oh my god, I am so serious. Bro, it's too easy. Okay, it's not hard. It's too easy. Okay. Oh, we should go there. Oh, is that a doll with a thing? It just look like my sister, I guess. What is it? Okay. Hello, player. Let me. Bro, there's so many dolls there. They will make me a long video. They will get a long video, I guess. I need to beat this game. Wait, come on. Oh no. Damn it. Bro. What? Bro, stop. What?
You are finishing.
Okay. Bro. What the heck?
You are.
What the? Wait, let me rejoin. Okay. Why there's no internet? Why do you? Okay. Okay. Let's wait. Please don't go back. Please, I'm begging you, bro. Yes, no, bro. Let's play her. Bro, why am lagging? Why does my tablet look lagging? Okay. I don't know. You don't know. Yes, you are. Wait, did I go? No, I fall. No. Don't fall. No. Why do we get the long video in the world? Bro. No. Don't fall. Don't fall. No, why always falling? Okay. I don't realize. Okay, this will be the shape. You too. Okay. Yes, you too. Yes. Wait, which one? Wait, let me choose it. Oh, blue. Oh wait, let's choose blue. Yes. Oh wait, can I? No. Ah! Damn it! They're trying to trick me. No. No! Yes. What the? No. Oh wait. Oh, it's just this. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. Bro, why always lagging? Okay. Checkpoint. Gimme. Why is it long, Obi? Why they make a long video? Please. Bro, this Obi was so long. Damn it, I hate this game. No, I'm going to Also, let's see the chat, okay? Let's see the chat. This. Oop. I played school. I played school. You know. Okay. Also, guys. So, thank you for watching. So, also, guys, bye.